friend of me is DOOGEE S98, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. First of all, go into settings. Now you need to choose Bluetooth over here and click on this switcher next to use Bluetooth feature. Then wait for available ones to show, and when they do, click on the chosen one. In order to continue, select pair in this pop-up and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected, but you can always disconnect them by choosing this little icon next to the device, click on Unforget, and confirming your choice in this pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!